Skano Furniture Factory is a cabinet furniture manufacturer specializing in solid woods. We mainly focus on products that require a higher need of workmanship. Skano Furniture Factory exports approximately 80% of production to different markets: Finland, Sweden, Germany, Russia, Ukraine, Austria, the Netherlands, and so on. We ship all over Europe. Our biggest and most popular series is the Classic bookcase. Today, the furniture line Skano Classic continues the traditions of 19th century carpentry masters and utilizes the design of a century-old modular system. Old photos and drawings have been used in designing desks to reflect the old times and traditional values of cabinet makers as accurately as possible. Books are some of the heaviest items kept on shelves. All elements are specifically designed to carry heavy loads. The Classic furniture line is more than just a system of bookcases or a library. In addition to the original bookcases, the collection features different cabinets, desks, chairs, rotating shelves, and much more. The Classic furniture range has been developed in line with the client's needs. Therefore, the furniture has many different applications and properties. The desks are ideal for both home and offices, supplemented by era-specific chairs that enable the design of an elegant study. With the Skano Classic series, you can create order in your home.
With modern technology seemingly changing by the day, it's nice to know that some things are so well designed that they've remained virtually unchanged for over 130 years. Take the Skano range of classic bookcases, whose designs can be traced back to the late 1800s. Skano bookcases are actually a series of smaller modules that simply stack one on top of the other with no fixings required. This clever design means that not only are the bookcases easy to assemble, but simple to reconfigure. The range includes options such as cupboards and drawers, or the more popular glass and wooden doors, all of which feature the classic lift and slide mechanism, plus the ability to remove them for easy cleaning. Other options include secret drawers in the base units, secretary desks or bar units, and also raised solutions for framing windows, doorways, and desks. Custom sizing helps achieve that perfect fitted look, and the base units also allow for skirting boards which can be custom cut. Of course, there's nothing to say that you have to use your new Skano furniture for books. The wooden fronted elements are a great storage solution in their own right, and the glass fronted elements are perfect for displaying all manner of personal possessions such as ornaments and trophies, or any glassware that you'd like to keep dust free. With a choice of 13 wood and painted finishes such as pure white, and 4 choices of doorknobs and mouldings such as the nickel, the Skano range will fit straight into almost any style of house or interior.
For more information, visit skano.com.